Now, witness C at the Madlanga Commission has linked Jerry Boshoga to Vusmuzi Cat Matlala, stating that Matlala admitted to lending Jerry 5 million for a drug processing machine. My name is Alukwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, this revelation came during the Madlanga Commission, where witness C testified about the raid on Matlala's mansion and the evidence found, including items linked to ransom videos. Now, Matlala has denied involvement in Jerry's kidnapping, claiming he was trying to help the family locate him. However, witness C's testimony suggests a deeper connection between Matlala and Ujeri, with allegations of shared criminal activities and Matlala's connection to high-ranking police officials. Now, Ujeri Boshoga is a 46-year-old Pretoria entrepreneur and a farmer who was kidnapped on the 18th of November 2024 in Centurion, shortly after attending a business meeting with an associate. He was taken without his usual security details, sparking suspicions of a premeditated kidnapping. Now, the kidnappers initially demanded a staggering 60 million for ransom, which was later reduced to 25 million, and eventually they dropped it to 10 million by early 2025. Now, the family received disturbing videos showing Ujeri being tortured, pleading for help, and begging his mother to pay the ransom. Now, the controversial businessman with alleged underworld connection, Uvusi Ket Matlala, emerged as a key suspect. The investigation continues, with the SAPS urging patience and responsible reporting. Now, Jerry's family remains in anguish with no confirmation of whether he's still alive. The case highlights South Africa's escalating kidnapping crisis, with 144 kidnapping cases recorded in Gauteng alone in early 2025. Now, this story also made headlines in Cutting Edge, where the family spoke about the relationship Yaga Jerry Novusi Ket Matlala. Could the Madlanga Commission crack this case and possibly manage to bring back Ujeri home to his family? What are your thoughts? I will also truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to this channel so that we can be able to reach more people and help South Africans. Your subscription matters.